Alright, getting the cars ready for MR2 to assemble. Alright, they're all set. Alright, what's up guys? We're here at the first meet in Corona Riverside area, and this is pretty much all the guys. Pretty cool cars, a lot of S-dubs. We got one Spider. We got two A-dubs. Oh shit, three A-dubs coming in. Alright, I'll see you guys at the next location. We're gonna roll out. Alright, we're here at the OC meeting ground.
No, that's the one I made.
We got two MR2s here. So pretty much all the guys are here from LA, Inland Empire, Orange County. Pretty cool. So we're about to get ready to head out to meet with the San Diego MR2 guys. Look at this wide body Spider. Bobby. What's up, Richard?
What's up, man?
So all the guys are here just hanging out. We're here at the Best Buy. We got Tony's car.
I had to bounce.
Got a couple A-dubs here. And Ray's car finally done. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Blue.
Oh, that hurts. That hurts. Hey, you know it's only temporary, right? Just for
It's still run, right?
Yeah, that's right.
All right, that's pretty much it. About all right, guys. I'm here at the bottom of Ortega with the SD guys. Got my Vietnamese coffee. All the OC guys, IE guys, San Diego guys. We're all meeting this spot right here. We got Mr. David, Snow White. So there you are. Awesome turnout. We basically took 2 lanes on the freeway going here. So it was pretty fun. Hit a little traffic, but everyone made it here safe and sound. There you go, you got Mr. Jarrett right there with his dog.
The man with the plan.
What's up, bro? Look at that. SoCal MR2.
SoCal MR2. MR2 Assembly Day.
What's up, man? Got a bunch of MR2s over there in the back as well, so it's pretty cool, guys. We're about to head out to Lake Elsinore, where we're gonna have our meet. And it's gonna be a nice, good about 18-mile canyon driving.
Yeah.
So, pretty cool. See you there. Got a couple guys came in early.
Yeah. Yeah, at least a couple more.
All right.
Yeah, try parking for him. I'm pretty sure you got him after.
Got a bunch of MR2 lined up here. Got a Carlo from the trailer. What's up, man? Woo! Bunch of MR2s. We got Matt. We got Richard. How you doing? We got Omar. What's up, brother? Beautiful spider. How you doing? Woo! Be careful with the dirt, dog. Woo! Good job. What's up, Rock? Bunch of MR2s today. Woo! MR2s, MR2s. Yeah. Rev it, rev it. Woo! Rev it, rev it. There you go. Woo! Beautiful cars. There you go, there you go. Rev it. Rev it, rev it. Rev it. That's bad for your turbo. Beautiful. Woo. There you go. Rev it, Edgar. Rev it. Rev it, Bob. Rev it. Rev it, rev it, there you go. Oh shit. There you go, Tony, there you go. Woo! Yeah! There you go, yeah! Woo! Dang, rev it, rev it. Jerry, come on, dog. Dennis, do it. There you go, there you go. Got a couple cars out here. There you go. Spin those tires. Got, nah, I got 2 leg horsepower.
Oh, fam on the camera.
Yeah, we got Mr. Snow White. What's up? Woo. MR2s all day, guys. MR2 all day. How much for the 94? How much?
And they're charging
all right, we're here. SMR2 assembled.
Usually is 180, so they're giving us a discount. Once again, it'll take place between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m.
A little hot out here, but a really good turnout. Really good turnout. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 MR2 in this first row. There you go. That's my brother's car right here with the white wheels. 27. We got 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. I don't know, it's about like close to 70, 80 MR2s. And there's still more coming in. White Walker. Alright, just gonna hang out, get some barbecue later, and then got people fixing in the car. Woo! Cool, cool, cool. Alright, these are all the BobMr2 that I've sold and continue selling, and these are only half of them. This is my AW11. This is the 91 NA with a Gen 4 swap. This one is the 91 NA sunroof with a Gen 4 swap. This one is Richard's car, 91 NA with a Gen 4 swap. This is Omar's car, 91 NA with a Gen 4 swap. My brother's car, 91 NA with a Gen 4 swap. This is my White Walker that's still here. And then this is the new owner, James, 94 with a Gen 5 swap. That's pretty much all the BobMr2 that came out today that I sold or continue that I have. Cool. Nice to meet all the owners again.